Hello students, today in this lecture we will discuss about operators in SQL. An operator is a reserved word or a character used primarily in an SQL statements where clause to perform operations. Operators are used to specify conditions in an SQL statement and to serve as conjunction for multiple conditions in a statement. Computation like displaying an employee's name and the employee's salary from the employee table with the annual salary of the employee. The arithmetic operation salary into 12 is an example of data arithmetic. Oracle allows arithmetic operators to be used while viewing records from a table or while performing data manipulation operation such as insert, delete, update. Operators are used to specify conditions in SQL statement and to serve as conjunction for multiple conditions in a statement. The various SQL arithmetic operators are: the first arithmetic operator is addition, that is plus. It adds the values on either side of operator. Next is subtraction, that is a minus sign, subtracts right hand operand from the left hand operand. Next is multiplication, that is asterisk sign. It multiplies values on either side of operator. Next is division, that is slash. It divides left hand operand by right hand operand. Let us start with the addition arithmetic operator. Addition. It is performed through the use of plus symbol. Suppose you want to add a bonus to the salary column, then we'll write a query. We will write the query like select salary plus bonus. The column bonus has already been added to the table employee from employee, and then we execute this query. As we can see that a column salary plus bonus has been added and the data of both the columns has been added to this column. Next, the subtraction. Subtraction is performed using minus symbol. Let us see how this subtraction is performed using a software. Suppose we want to subtract the column bonus from the column salary, so we can write the query like select salary minus bonus from employee. Then we'll execute it. It will show you the results of salary minus bonus, means the data from the salary column and the data from bonus column has been subtracted and the answer has been shown to you. Next, multiplication. It is performed using asterisk symbol. Let us see how we can perform multiplication. Suppose we want to multiply the column of salary with 10, then we'll write the query like select salary into 10 from employee. Here the results are salary into 10. The salary column has been multiplied with the 10 and the answers are shown. Next we have division. Division is performed using slash symbol. Let us execute the query using slash select salary slash 5 from employee. Here the salary column has been divided by 5 and shown you the answers of quotient. If you want the remainder, then you can use modulus operator. Next we have arithmetic operator combination. Arithmetic operators can be used in combination with one another, but we have to remember the rules of precedence. Remember rules of precedence. Precedence is the order in which expressions are resolved in a mathematical expression or with embedded functions in SQL. We know that the multiplication and division operations are performed first and then addition and subtraction operation. The only way to control the order of mathematical operations is with the use of parentheses. Parentheses surround an expression and causes that expression to be evaluated as a block. Next, we'll execute the query using arithmetic operator combination like select salary minus 100 plus bonus divided by 5 from employee. In this query, first of all parentheses are solved, then the result is divided by 5 and then gives you the actual result. When we'll execute this query, we'll get the result as the first column result is the value is 780 and so on. Thank you.